Good morning everyone, myself Shivam Pulle and today I am here to give my project seminar on our project titled Dual Axis Solar Tracking System. These are the names of our teammates Ashwin Pandey, Shobhit Devle, Nitesh Chimurkar and Jhansi Kumari. These are the details of our team members. Next. The following are the contents of our capstone project. First, idea or approach. Second, technology stacks and use cases. Third, block diagram. Fourth, actual project and its working. Fifth, social impact. And sixth, project link. Idea or approach. Nowadays, natural sources of energy, just like coal, mineral oil, and natural gas, are getting depleted day by day. So, to generate any alternative source of energy is must essential. So, the solar energy can be the best alternative source of energy for energy consumption. As nowadays solar panels are so popular, but as they are fixed only in one direction, they cannot store much amount of energy. So our project focuses on dual axis solar tracking panel. So we made a dual axis solar tracking panel so we can store more amount of energy, and dual axis solar tracking panel system follows the sun throughout the day when it moves around, when Earth moves around the sun and around its own axis.
Start.
Now the further slide will be explained by my team member Mr. Nitesh Chimurkar.
Start.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nitesh Chimurkar and this slide will be discussed by me. In technology stacks and use case, there are some researchers that will research before our project making. So that the first in 2007 Robert Roll discovered single axis solar panel that will solar panel that will only place and that will only place, not even more effectively and more efficient output. Then later Weiner Arturo in 2010 Weiner Arturo developed an innovative system for tracking the sun. That is, they have moved to track the sun. That means you have to x to y axis, that they will give one theory at least, and that will then later Abdullah Elsevier in 2008 they make it computerized. That means they have to computerize and they will program it so they can move x axis to y axis without manipulating. Then later in 2013 Ashraf Babal developer report on design and testing of the control system that achieve components achieve optimal operation efficiency, and Abdullah Babal develop an operating system response that results show simplicity and accuracy that will at least 22%. Next slide will be discussed by my team member Ashwin Pandey.
Start.
Hello, my name is Ashwin Pandey and I am here to deliver the rest of the seminar. I will start through block diagram. As you all know that our project name is Dual Axis Solar System. First we see the block diagram of this. So in this we can see that there are two motor for rotating the solar panel, two LDRs, that is LDR1 and LDR2, one solar panel, one battery, and one comparator IC LM324. This IC is for comparing the two input, that is LDR1 and LDR2, and commonly give one output in the form of light waves that gives to the Arduino, and one power supply. So I am now giving this in brief description that the two motors are used for solar rotation. As you all know that the function of motor is to rotate the solar panel in horizontal and vertical direction, in both direction, that is in 360 degree. Then the two LDR is used, LDR1 and LDR2. LDR full form is light dependent resistor. The function of LDR is to take the light intensity and give the output in the form of electric pulse. Then the two LDR output is given to the comparator. As we all know that the comparator function is to take the output and give it to single output. To take input and give it single output. So the LDR1 and adhere to its two input. Then the comparator output is given to the Arduino. As we know that the Arduino is very high transmission device that perform very logical function and arithmetic logic also. So Arduino is used to perform the rest of function from which we can derive the motor, and solar panel rotation is also done by the Arduino program. Then the output of Arduino is given to the motor driver module. Motor driver module is the module or is the chip from which the performance of motor is for solar rotation. This motor driver gives the output to the motor for solar rotation, and this we perform the various programs in Arduino by which the motor driver will perform act like this, and after that the solar panel will rotate in its direction, and then we can observe the output in the form of battery, or we can take output from various devices. Next slide. This is then we see that the actual procedure and its working, how the model will work. Dual axis solar tracking system is one which follows the sun movement. As we all know that this solar panel follow the sun movement. As the sun increases, the solar panel tilt towards its direction. Then the sunlight directly fall to the solar panel and be connected LDRs. LDR is light dependent resistor, as I have already told. Then the LDR will capture the light, and then it motor align the solar panel. Now when the earth rotates, the sun gets shifted from its earlier position. The position of solar panel will also change. Now the rest of slide will be displayed or described by our team member Shobhit Yole.
Start.
Good morning everyone, myself Shobhit Yole, and I discuss the further slides, social impact. Social impact of our solar panel is public expectance, job creation, and social benefits. Means this solar power is used in the public sector and job creation, and this solar power benefit social experiences or anything. Second, the positive socio-economic benefits are that solar energy projects increases regional or national energy independence. Means that this solar energy is increases the regional and national energy powers or independence. Then next, our third point is it is increases work opportunities and secure energy supply. Means that this our model dual axis solar tracker system, which increases the opportunities and secure energy supply to our nation. Then fourth point is it also helps to reduce pollution. Means you also know that solar energy reduces the pollution. So then our next slide is this is our project link which we uploaded the YouTube video. So
Start.
thank you everyone for watching this video. Then